So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you lots and lots of AI website that can help you become a very good graphic designer. Whether you're a graphic designer, this is for you as well. First of all, I have already done my research and I have at least 12 different AI websites that can make you so pretty cool when it comes to the graphics. So you don't need any graphic design knowledge, just jump into the website and get your job done so easily. The first one here is called PICWI, that's Pickwish. Over here we see a lot of years. There are a lot of features here. You can use the AI to do some crazy stuff. So as graphic designers, knowing this website gives you edge over other people, because from here now you see AI is really taking over and we have lot and lots from here. It said no skill needed, which I think this is even a top notch. First one here we have you can remove background, you can retouch photo, you can enhance portrait. I'm not going to be showing a practical example, just want you to know that there are websites that can really help you do some crazy stuff. You can enhance photo, you can fix blurry pictures when it comes to enhancing photo, white background replacement, AI art generator. This has been trending very well for now. You can decide to crop, you can decide to compress and stuff like that. I don't know why this one said we should chat. We're not chatting right now. So now we know that other stuff you can decide to download the app if you felt like downloading. But for the features, we've talked about the features. So you can come straight to Pickwish and do your stuff, and you get paid for doing all this. Yes, there are a lot of people who need these stuffs. If you have a friend, say, please, can you get a background for me? You don't have to stress yourself. You just come to Pickwish, then hit on upload, and you are good to go. You can decide to convert photos to JPG as well, enlarge, compress, crop, and stuff. We don't waste much time in this. We're done with this. Let's go to the next one, which is called illustrations.co. With this, you can generate all forms of illustration. You can see on the screen, yes. So we have this kind of scary guy. We have some other stuff. We have this guy on Max, this one praying and all stuff. You can come to this website and generate a lot of illustration and add them to your design. And trust me when I say this, you become a pro as time goes on. So if you don't put your mind in this, trust me, you won't really get anything. So take your time to practice this, for whether you're using smartphone, not minding the device you use, all are welcome. So illustration.co, we talked about the first one. Pickwish, the next one is illustration.co. I've told you about this, then almost a dozen. So in the second one, let's be faster. So the second one, the third one here is colorize pictures. With this, already from the English term, say colorize means you can add some color to your picture. Black and white become colorful. Over here you can upload image and do some crazy stuff. You see from here black and white to a very beautiful image. You see this is all black and white, this is colored pictures. So you can do that as well, and you don't have to start thinking, oh, what should I do? Should I use Photoshop or should I use a Corel Draw? With this you can just come to this website called palette.fm. Yes, you can come here and you're good to go. So just come there, palette.fm, and move on with some stuff, so you are cool as well. So now the fourth on the list is Adobe Firefly, the beta. So over here, what will you make today? So you can come here, you see, you can decide to test to image. Wow, I love this image. Test to image, you can generate one. You can come to the next one called generative fill. You can generate one as well. You can do some test effect. You see, you can recolor some stuff. You can convert image to sketch. You can come here, 3D image. You can move it from here to something like this, and all beautiful. You can just keep on playing with this and get some inspiration, and you become a pro on this. Then the fifth one here is called the Avatar Refi. You can discover your digital the Pearl Ganga. All right. Anyway, elevate your online presence with personalized avatar. Yes, forget the big language here. What Avatar does for you is to create avatar of yourself. You can see, you can bring some picture of yours, some snapshot of yourself. Then you can convert it to something like this, some avatar. So portrait of admin and stuff like this. You see, is going to do that. So you can go ahead and start creating them yourself. Okay, the next one we have design.ai. Over this, you don't need anyone to design logo for you anytime. That's why I told my friend, I said, hey, you have to just, if you're a graphic designer, you have to upgrade your skill and plug yourself to AI, because a lot of people will not be needing the help of some guys out there. Yes, a lot of people just come online and just do some crazy stuff and become a graphic designer overnight, just like how you're doing already. But if you're a graphic designer, plug yourself so that you have advanced skill when it comes to editing. Though you might have some argument in your heart, but just believe me when I tell you this. So you can create logos, videos, you can create banners, you can create mock-up with AI in 2 minutes. The last one is my choice, and I'm going to tell you about the last one. We're almost close to the last anyway. So from here we have AI profile picture. You can make profile picture of yourself. Don't create, because your profile picture speak very well of you. Yes, so create a good profile picture. Just come to this place called www.profilepicture.ai and just move on to this place and create your profile immediately. We have another one that you can use to create awesome profile picture, which is called pfpmaker.com. This has been in the internet for a long decade now. So you can come to this place, pick pick a template that you want your picture to look like, then upload immediately. So wow, everything here, it says AI headshot generator. You can generate AI of yourself. Just pick your pictures. I told you I will not be explaining all this, because if I want to explain all this, it's going to take me at least 4 hours, 5 hours, and I wouldn't want to do that. You can take your time, but on a separate video, I'm going to explaining this as times goes on, how all this works. So I advise you subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell so that you don't miss update when it comes. All right, then almost third to go. So we are in the 7th one, the 8th one anyway. Online photo editor for everyone. You can come to this site called photo.com and you can do some other stuffs as. So which one is the best for you? Drop it on the comment section and why you decide to go with that one. So over at the photo.com, see there are a lot of crazy stuff you can do as well. You can crop image, you can resize image, blur background, just like the first one, Pickwish over here we talked about, which have a lot of crazy stuff, same as this one here, which you can do some crazy stuff. You can PNG makers, face editor, you can touch photo, font generator, you can import many photos, which is called batch photos, and edit them at once. You can unblur image, you can sharpen image, all things all done in this website. It's in this website should be your choice, but I can't choose for you. I know at the comment section you should be able to pick something and tell me why you decide. Anyway, then the 9th one here is improve your facial retouching with a single tap of magic correction. AI does wonders. You see this pretty girl, just bring your photo and you're more pretty and you'll be handsome than, because your camera speaks a lot, but editing speak more better. So just come here, upload your stuff, and the magic happen overnight by just dragging the slider to your choice, and you can download directly to your phone or your PC. Then the last one, which is the king of them all, which I know everyone knows, is called Canva.com. This has been everyone's dream. Everyone who are on the website, on the internet, uses Canva. If you want to come to Canva, you can come straight to Canva and just come here and type Instagram post, and you have a lot of researches coming up, queries all popping up. So you have a lot of Instagram posts. You can just come here, just edit some stuff and do some crazy stuff. So let me just do a recap of this. We have the Pickwish, the first. We have the illustrations.co. We have the palette.fm. The next one, we have the firefly.adobe.com. We have avatarify.act. Then we have designs.ai. We have www.profilepictures.ai. We have pfpmaker.com. We have photo.com. We have prismaai.com. Then finally, we have canva.com. If there's anything you do for me right now is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell as well, like and share to your friend so that they get educated as you. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I'll see you in other videos as time goes.